3 essential skills every private investigator needs. I'm diving into the world of private investigations to share the 3 essential skills every private investigator needs. In this video, you will learn about the 3 essential skills that every private investigator must possess to excel in their field. Hi, I'm Tim Santoni. I've been a licensed private investigator for over 20 years. I work with top law firms, brands, and insurance companies. I'm passionate about training investigators and law firms on the best ways to conduct research to optimize results. I have direct experience working with other private investigators throughout the US, and I have learned which skills they tend to be deficient in. Please stick around until the end of the video. I'm going to share a real example of a case request from a client and how these skills turn into something big for me. Many aspiring private investigators overlook the importance of these skills, which can lead to ineffective investigations and lost cases. As a result, they often struggle to gather evidence, build strong cases, and ultimately deliver results to their clients. This is why it's crucial to identify and develop these skills early on in your career as a private investigator. The good news is that these skills can be learned and mastered with practice and dedication. But the question is, what are these skills and why are they so critical to success in private investigation? If you dive in head first and don't possess these skills, you will end up wasting time, resources, and energy, and can ultimately compromise the integrity of the investigation. I'll explore each of these 3 skills in detail: locate investigations, background research, and asset checks, so that you will understand why they are crucial for success. Locate investigations involve developing information to confirm where your subject is living. Background investigations involve developing evidence and information that can impact a subject's credibility. A background investigation will typically cover research of civil and criminal cases along with several other searches that give your client a clear picture of the subject. Asset checks require an investigator to develop physical and intangible assets that speak to a subject's ability to fight in litigation, satisfy a judgment, or give you leverage in your case. Each of these skills is interconnected and interdependent, and mastering them will drastically improve your investigative outcomes. When you're able to locate your subjects with ease, profile them, and develop their assets or lack thereof, you will see more clients and more cases. These 3 investigative skills are the foundation for many other investigations. Without these skills, you will be at a severe disadvantage. When you master these skills, it will drastically increase investigative outcomes and client satisfaction. By developing these skills, you'll be able to approach investigations with confidence, gather high-quality evidence, and deliver results that meet and exceed your client's expectations. You'll also be able to identify and avoid common pitfalls and mistakes that can compromise an investigation. This will not only lead to more successful outcomes, but also help you build a reputation as a skilled and competent private investigator. As you master these skills, you'll find that you're able to take on more complex and challenging cases and ultimately grow your career as a private investigator. Furthermore, these skills will help you to stay ahead of the curve, adapt to new technologies and methodologies, and continuously improve your craft. As promised, I want to share a real-life case example. I had an attorney-client reach out to request surveillance. In this case, the client wanted to conduct surveillance but didn't have a current address for the subject. I was able to locate the subject and develop a home address, which allowed us to conduct ongoing surveillance. If I didn't have the skill set to locate the subject, I wouldn't have gotten this case or the client. To summarize, these skills will help you to transform your approach to private investigations. Please don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below and check out our next video for more tips on becoming a successful private investigator. Thanks.